Welcome back to our channel. Hey guys, it's Daisy. Previously, we introduced in detail the LCSIGN brand system, product production process, quality inspection, packaging and transportation process, and how to place indoor. Today, we will introduce our perfect after-sales service and what kind of help and service we can provide you. Homies who are interested should not miss today's content. Number 1. Each level is checked from demand confirmation to production and manufacturing. Professions are responsible for tracking and updating the status of different stages and notifying customers to continue confirming relevant information at important modus. Number 2. We are full of confidence in our sign products in order to provide customers with a better shopping experience. We provide different warranty periods for different types of sign products, and a specific warranty period is subject to the actual product and service. Number 3. Different sign products are configured with different spares, parts, and accessories. LCSIGN provides corresponding parts configuration for easy installation and use. Number 4. After receiving the goods, you can contact us to provide installation methods and guidance methods for related products to facilitate customers to install and use. Number 5. LCSIGN have a professional photography team that can shoot and edit high-definition videos to meet customer requirements for their market promotion. Number 6. The professional team efficiently solves your confusion and responds quickly. With high praise rate or 95%, after-sales service determines whether customers are satisfied with your products and services and whether they recognize your brand. It is crucial to the development of the company. What else would you like to know about us? Comment to let us know and follow LCSIGN right now.